Dear students, in the last video we studied the example number 2.9. On the basis of that example 2.9, we are having the two questions C1, C2, C3 and C4 having a 12 microfarad capacitance. The battery is applied 400. So this is homework 1 and homework 2. You try these two examples at your own. See another example, the C1, C2, C3 and C4. The battery is of 100 volt. C1, C2, C3 and C4 are of 6 microfarad, right? So try this example at your home. It is only for practice. Now we are moving towards the next example 2.10. This is the last example 2.10. See what is given in that example. Example 2.10. The first capacitor is given and it is applied with the help of 100 volt battery. See, the capacitor is of 900 picofarad, is applied with the battery of 100 volt. Find the energy of this system. Find energy of this capacitor. This is your question. So it's very easy. This is the first part of the numerical. For the 1 marks, find energy of the capacitor. So for the formulas, U equal to half CV square. This is the formula. Half remains as it is. Capacitance is 900 picofarad. Pico means 10 to the power 12, right? And this is V square means 100 multiplied by 100. So it becomes 10 to the power plus 4, right? So 1 by 2 as it is. This is 2, 4, 6. So we can write 9 10 to the power plus 6 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 12, right? 2, 4, 6 in this way. So 2, it becomes 4.5. So U equal to 4.5 10 to the power minus 6 joule is the energy of this capacitor, right? So this is the question for 1 mark. Only one part we have completed. Now the second part, in that second part the question is like this: remove the battery. Now remove the battery and apply another uncharged capacitor of 900 picofarad. So the diagram will be like this. Initially the capacitor 900 picofarad. First of all, we will calculate the charge on this capacitor in a part 1 only. In the first case, what is the charge on this capacitor? Then we will move to the next part. It will be required for the further. That's why. What is the charge on this capacitor? So what is the basic formula? That means that C equal to Q by V. With the help of this, we can calculate charge Q equal to C into V. What is C? That is 900 picofarad, 10 to the power minus 12, and voltage is 100. So we write 100. So 9 10 to the power plus 4, 10 to the power minus 12, right? 2 to 4. It becomes 10 to the power minus 8. So 9 into 10 to the power minus 8 Q coulomb charge is present on this capacitor. Correct? So now we are moving towards the next part. What is the next part? Remove the battery and apply the another capacitor of 900 picofarad. See, it was the first capacitor. Capacitance is 900 picofarad and charge on this capacitor is, we know that, we calculated what is the charge, 9 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb charge is present on this capacitor. What we have to do? Another capacitor of Another capacitor of uncharged capacitor. The value of Q is 0. We have to apply over here. Right? The question is find the energy of system. First of all, by applying this uncharged capacitor having a capacitance 900 picofarad, charge equal to 0, uncharged capacitor, right? By applying this, what happens that we will see. So what will happen? Charge will divide. Charge will divide. See, we are having suppose bucket full of water. A bucket full of water. Another bucket empty water. No water in this bucket. If we connect this bucket by the pipe, what will happen? The water level water will move in the next bucket, or the water level will equilibrium, that we can see, right? In this in a similar way, by applying uncharged capacitor to the charged capacitor, charge will divide. So that's why the charge become 4.5 10 to the power minus 8. Correct? Because the capacitance are same. It is also 900 picofarad. It is also 900 picofarad. That's why charge will divide equally. Correct? So this capacitor having 4.5 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb charge. Understand? Next. Now the energy of this capacitor will be suppose U1. Energy of this capacitor will be suppose U2. Right? And energy of the system means what? U equal to U1 plus U2. The total U will become the energy of the system. First of all, we will calculate U1. U1 equal to what? Q square by 2C. This formula we will apply over here. Q square by 2C. This formula we will apply over here. Right? We can 1/2 CV square. We don't know the value of V over here. That's why. Right? Q square by 2C we can apply over here. What is the value of Q square? What is the value of Q? 4.5 10 to the power minus 8 bracket square divided by 2 multiplied by C equal to what? 900 10 to the power minus 12. By solving this, you will get answer. Find out the answer in Joule. Correct? What is U2? U2. The formula will be again for this U2. Q square by 2C. Correct? So again, what is the value of Q? That is 4.5. That is 4.5 10 to the power minus 8 bracket square divided by what is 2 remains as it is. What is C? Again it is of 900 picofarad. 9 10 to the power minus 12. Right? Get the answer. Calculate your answer. It is in Joule. Right? So your answers will be near about, that is 1.1 something, 1.1 something, and you will get U equal to 2. U1 plus U2. Put the values of U1 and U2. Calculate U1, calculate U2. Whatever the answer, put over here U1 plus U2, and the final answer you will get, that is near about 2.25 10 to the power, it is of minus 6 Joule. Correct? This is your energy of the system. You can find the difference of energy. Before, the energy is 4.5. After applying this, energy of the system becomes 2.25. So you can take the delta U, U2, this is U2, or this is U, this U minus this U, you can do. By doing this, you can get the change in energy. Understand? So in this way, we have completed this numerical. The same numerical is given in the exercise also. So we will try the exercise example now. See the exercise example. What is that? I think it is of number 2.11. And in that example, directly change in energy is asked. right? So you have to follow all the procedure, and you just add one step. This u means you have to take the 4.5 minus 2.25. This u minus this u you can take, you can get the change in energy. Understand? Okay. So exercise example we are going to take now. In a different method we will try. Some tricky method we will use. See what is the question? 600 picofarad capacitor, exercise example. Exercise example 2.11. Correct? The question is like this: 600 picofarad capacitor, 600 picofarad capacitor. First it is connected with the battery of 200 volt. Correct? So find U equal to what? Q equal to what? Right? 1/2 CV square with the formula for this, and as we know that C equal to Q by V. So Q, for the Q you can use C into V. So this formula we can use for the first part. In the second part, what is given? The capacitor is connected with the another uncharged capacitor of same 600 picofarad, right? It is C1, it is C2, right? So calculate the charge, write down the charge over here. As the capacitance is same, charge will divide equally, correct? And you just find out U1 and U2, correct? By using the formula Q square by 2C, Q square by 2C, you will get U1 and U2. So you get total U equal to U1 plus U2, right? This U and here this U. Take the difference of these two U, you will get the change in energy or energy loss you can calculate. So this is the method we have done before. Now some tricky to find the loss in energy, right? So you just remember the formula first of all, learn the formula properly. So delta U equal to half into C1 dot C2 divided by C1 plus C2 into V1 minus V2 bracket square. Use this formula, find the delta U, you will get directly energy loss, correct? In the joule that we can see here. What is C1? That we know that. What is C2? That we know that C1 equal to, here we can write C1 equal to 600 picofarad, C2 equal to also 600 picofarad. So C1, C2 we know that, right? Put the value. V1 equal to, that is 200 volt, and V2 equal to 0 volt you can use. So by putting all the values you can get delta U. In this way you can solve this example. So for finding directly change or loss in energy, you can use this formula, right? So in this way, students, we have completed the examples of this chapter. In the next video we will solve the remaining exercise examples. Okay, thank you.